Are we rolling? In 3, 2, 1, go. Build in the project.
Hello everybody, my name is Gokul and I study in Delhi Private School, Dubai. I'm age 12 years old and I love coding, AI and robotics. So, as taken up a challenge for the IndiaAi interview, I designed RecoFace version 2.0. I'm going to show you how it works. So, this basic kind of recognition system not only does involving the scanning of faces but also allows you to control various devices at your home. So, let me explain you each and every part of this amazing and interesting system. For this challenge, I use 3 concepts: robotics, AI and machine learning. So, let me tell you how it works. So, before we start even working with the project, it begins with something known as a introduction or a basic introduction done by our butler, Toby. He gives you instructions to press the home button, which is right here, to access the door. But we don't want to do that first. What we are going to do is first keep our prior scan ready, which is done by either touching the character, or what you can do is just clicking on the spacebar key. Then it will ask you to look into your camera and then it will start scanning. So for this particular ML project part, I used 2 persons. The 2 persons are myself and my sister Gopika. So for the ML part, I also coded some basic recognitions with confidence-based analysis. So if it recognizes either my face or my sister's face, then we are allowed into the house because we are the only 2 users in the house. Else, if it's someone else, then it will say, sorry, I couldn't match and store your face. And that means that you are not allowed the access to the house. But what if you're done with the prior scan? Then we have to open the door, definitely, right? So to do that, you have to first click on the home button, which is right here. It's labeled as access. Click on the home button and then you're granted access by first scanning your face. Again, it will say face recognized, welcome to the house, and if it's my name, it will say face recognized, welcome to the house, Gopal. Or if it's Gopika, it will say welcome to the house, Gopika. Yeah. Then after that it will turn off because we don't want to use the ML extension anymore. Now we only want to allow the door to open. So the door will open and after that we enter the house. But in other cases, what will happen? Like for example, if someone else, like a thief or an intruder, it will say, sorry, you're not allowed or you're not authorized, calling the owner. It will play the siren and then the machine learning extension or the ML section will stop working because it will be turned on. Okay, so now that's done, let's look into the home automation part. So our virtual AI assistant and our best friend Topi will actually help you control various appliances in your house. Now, what I've coded is some basic commands like turning lamps and lights, turning on fans and offing them, listening to music through the radio, and the most basic, which is the understanding of the weather. So, for the weather part, I used 2 places, Gujarat and Dubai. But what happens when it doesn't understand any of the command? Say, please throw this in the dustbin. It won't be able to understand it. So it will say, sorry, I didn't get it. Please try again. But the dustbin won't be an issue because we're introducing something called as a dustbin management system. Dustbin management system is very simple. With the help of our friend, a new friend named Isaac, and with our robotics companion, Quarky, I was able to create a dustbin management system through object camera detection. Through this, it will be able to recognize and understand whether it's biodegradable or non-biodegradable waste. But I was only managed to try with three different kinds of experiments: a bottle, a cup, remote, banana, bottle plant, and also pizza. So now that's done. What happens when we don't want to use it or when we want to have an introduction? So to clear the scene and show display metrics as a smiley face, and it will say, "Hello, please throw your trash by analyzing it." And that's pretty much it. How to access it is through a space bar button. So how that works is that when you press the space button, it will actually allow you to enter the house and then actually able to use the dustbin management system through dustbin management. And so that's it. This is my project and I hope you liked it. Thank you for listening to my explanation of this project and I hope to see you around. Bye.